Best 110-volt tankless water heater. Number 5. Chronomite SR 30 liters. Pros: integrated microprocessor which controls output water temperature. Lower activation time. Activates only in 2 seconds. Nominal electric consumption. Cons: covers one faucet at a time. Not for supplying water to the whole house. Number 4. CO Green IR 260 infrared. Pros: this heater uses advanced infrared technology which has replaced the traditional heat exchanger system. No need of regular flushing. Scaling up due to hard water is not a problem because of the absence of heat exchanger. Power consumption can be chosen between 4 different options which can save your cost of electricity. Cons: suitable for only one faucet. Distance of the heater should be near to the usage point to get better performance. Number 3. A.B Crew 110 volts instant tankless electric water heater faucet. Pros: takes only few seconds to give hot water. Multiple plating metal body gives longevity. Superior quality plastic material which is resistant to temperature. Can go up to 140 degree Fahrenheit. Super space saver. Good for only single faucet usage. Cons: more suitable for a small family. Needs a professional plumber to set it up. Needs higher water pressure to operate this heater. Number 2. EcoSmart POU 3.5 point. Pros: digital display shows heating condition. More compact size. Reliable brand. Good for RV and portable usage. Can be used as an add-on water heater. Cons: lower flow rate. Not good for more than one faucet. Not good for colder area. Number 1. Stiebel Eltron 074050 120 volts. Pros: hydraulic system generates minimum noise. Lower installation cost. Power consumption is 50% less than traditional water heaters. Cons: flow rate is not good. Good for only one faucet. So, which tankless water heater is suitable for you? Thanks for watching. You can subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. To read the full article, please visit our website. You can find the link in the description. Thank you. Have a good day.